This is a DJI Mic Mini. If you're looking for pro audio quality, this might be your best affordable option. So keep watching this video because I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. I'll test the audio so you can decide if buy it or not. I'm X and welcome to GeekMonki. DJI has definitely made a name for itself with innovative tech. From drones to handheld cameras and stabilizers, they also brought that expertise to audio. And the DJI Mic Mini is part of that innovation. If you're entering in the content creation world, you have an audiovisual project and you're looking for an affordable mic, like I said, this might be your best option. So why don't we do a quick unboxing and then I'll tell you all the highlights for this device. So guys, for this and the following videos, we're gonna try to do the unboxings a little bit faster so with no delay so you can see what's inside the box and move on with the highlights and the review. Let's be honest, we just want to see what's inside the box fast and that's it. Okay, so let's go. So first we have the warranty, the instructions, and some stickers from DJI. Those are cool, so that's it for this. All the papers. All right, now we have this pouch. It's like a little bag and it has everything inside. So let's check it out. Well, this is cool. I think it's probably weatherproof and it has the DJI logo on it. It's like gray color, black color, something like that. So it looks really cool just to keep your stuff inside and, you know, when you're traveling, airplanes, whatever. And then we have right here the unit. I think this is the charger and the case for the mics. Yes, it is with the DJI logo on it. Looks pretty cool. And these are the cables. This is like a USB cable and an aux cable. And this one, oh, these are the windscreens. Yeah, the windscreens. You know, the dead cats, whatever you name it. Okay, those are like very small for the mics. And then, well, we gotta peel off this. Okay, there we go. And then we have the mics and the receiver. So basically receiver and transmitters. That's it, they're working. Actually, they have some battery on. And first we can see that we have right here, this is the receiver. So this one, I believe it goes attached to the camera or your cell phone. So this is pretty cool because you can use it with your phone or you can use it like more professionally with the camera, maybe a DSLR, something like that, whatever you need. It's very complete actually, and it comes with a adapter, a USB-C adapter. It's actually, yeah, this is actually the cell phone adapter, USB Type-C. Okay, I think there's gotta be something like an adapter for the lightning as well. So I'm not pretty sure, but you can find out on the internet. Just Google it. And these are the DJI mics. So these are the units. It comes with two. There's different packages, so you can get I mean, I got this one with the box, the charging box, and the transmitter. I mean the receiver and that two transmitters. So that's what it is basically, but I believe you can buy them separately. So I believe whatever you need, you can buy either the full package like me, or you can buy just the receiver and the transmitters. And I believe there is a package with just one transmitter and the receiver as well. So just check it out. I'll show you the prices later on the video. And that's basically what it comes with the DJI mics. So this box is really cool because it keeps your mics charging all the time, so you can have more battery. We're gonna talk about that later on the video. And let's go with the review and the highlights, guys. So I'm not gonna lie, first of all, I think this is very small, it's very compact. I think it's let me just try to wear it so you can see the size. Of course you can wear it anywhere you want. I mean, it's so bad. That looks better. You see, it's I mean, it's very small. It's a decent size, you know, like compared to the Rode mic, the micro, it's smaller than that. Actually, if you've seen those before, the Rode micro, you will see a difference in size. It's almost, I believe it's almost half the size. The quality of the product, it's actually really good, you know, like the mics are really good, they feel really good, well made. The charging case is really good quality as well, and it's a type C. Actually, it uses a type C cable to charge. And yeah, as always, DJI with the best quality. Now let's talk about the specs and some highlights. The DJI mic measures about 27 by 26 millimeters and weighs just 10 grams. The receiver is also compact and roughly 47 by 29 millimeters, and it's about 17.8 grams. They're so small you can almost forget you're wearing them. The magnetic clip design makes it easy to attach to clothing, which is a major plus for quick setups. For the transmitter, you can attach it, like I said, to your camera or your phone and control the gain with that little dial on top. But what about connections? With products like the Osmo Audio ecosystem for high quality sound, the receiver lets you adjust the gain on 5 levels. The transmitter status light shows battery and link status. It has audio quality features like omnidirectional recording and active noise cancellation with the audio limit to prevent clipping. But the real question is, what about the battery? How long it lasts? Well, for the transmitters, by themselves, they can last up to 11.5 hours. But if you're using the case, it can give you up to 48 hours. That's a lot of battery. Actually, I think it's better than the Rode Micro. And by the way, I'm not saying that the Rode Micro is not a good option. I'm just saying that in some features, one might be better than the other one. And if you want to see a Rode Micro review, please leave a comment below, or any other device that you want to see a review on, please leave your comment. And don't forget to like, share with your friends, and hit that bell so you never lose a piece of content. And I know you want to hear the difference between using the phone and the DJI Mic Mini. So for that, I gotta grab my phone and show you how it works. So let's do that test. So what you're hearing right now is the audio coming directly from my phone integrated microphone. And this is the audio from the DJI Mic Mini. And now I'm a little bit more than 6 feet apart from my phone, and this is the sound with the DJI Mic Mini. And now I'm about the same distance, but without the DJI Mic Mini. So now you notice the difference, right? I think it's better to use the DJI Mic Mini when you are creating content. Let's get back to the video. And for the end of the video, let me tell you the price on this device. But before I tell you the price, let me tell you something else. This device was released in 2024. It's not a new device. It's been in the market like for 2 years. And now, from the day that I'm recording this video, like in 3 days actually, there's a new version coming out. The new DJI Mic Mini 2. So if you want to see a review on that one, please leave a comment below. If you want to see a comparison with other devices, we can do it as well. So leave your comment and let me know. I know, X, please tell me the price for this device. Is it really affordable? Well, the answer is yes. I think it's affordable compared to other brands, and actually what comes in the box, it's a lot for the price. So yes, it's really affordable. Let me tell you the price on this device and the different versions that you can acquire. The price for the transmitter and receiver is about $59. The full combo with 2 mics, 1 receiver, and the charging case is around $99. But let me tell you one little secret. The combo that I just showed you on the video, it's selling right now for less than $80. So if you're planning to get those, they're on Amazon. I believe it's like $78, $79 right now. I believe that's because the new version is coming out. So just check it out. And if you need an affordable mic, get those right now. And I almost forgot the colors. For this device, you can acquire two different colors. There's Infinity Black and Arctic White. So if you want this device, like I said, you can get it on Amazon for less than $80, or you can wait for the newest version if you want newest version. So that's it. This is the end of the video, and don't forget to share, like, comment below, and hit that bell so you never lose a piece of content. You hear me? Never. And please follow me on my other social media channels so you can find them on the description. And like always, I'm your friend X, and I'll see you in the next one.